Okay guys, this is Shadow6599, and just warn you, I did stop my other one, because I was sucking, and it was a fail on my part and my friends, and I want to give you good gameplay, but we actually discussed that we don't care if you send us a phone request, as long as our thing don't get too high of filling up, and he is Big Daddy 34567. I am, of course, Shadow6599. Today, I will be bringing you gameplay with the... let me ask my friend. What do you want me to use? See? Oh, no. No, I have MP7. Okay, I'm only gonna be using one. I will use a Scarlet L next video. Today, apparently, I'm using handgun or machine pistol. Really? No, I'm just gonna use a UPS 4 or 5. Riley, you ready? Okay. Okay, guys, I hope this commentary doesn't take too long. Let's just get into a match. I will be doing other games like Assassin's Creed, Battlefield. I will be doing those. So, yeah. And if you guys want, I could do a Red Dead Redemption Undead Nightmare and any of the Call of Duties. If you guys want stuff like that, I don't care. Riley, he will play anything with me. I almost have my MP7 upgraded again, so let's see how good we do. Okay, our team's losing. Okay, yeah, don't see if you're me, don't be retarded. Picked up a light shield. Oh my god, this is why you should never be douchebags, and it lasts so long on mine. Never try not to use flashbangs. Makes people mad. Make people report you. No! As you guys saw, I upgraded my weapon again. You can upgrade your weapons. It is very fun. It is very easy. As long as you are very good with that weapon, I suggest finding a weapon that you're good with and using that entire time. As you can see, he is a... I'm not going to finish that sentence. And my friend does try to get me not to... You know, I know you should never cuss on YouTube, but I try. Remember, viewers, I try. Yeah, shut up. Yeah, he has a golden gun. Laugh at the nerd. Laugh at the nerd. Why are you laughing at Zach? I'm not the nerd here. How am I? Okay, guys, if you think I'm a nerd, just tell me in the comments. I play sports. He does that. Wait, damn, he plays the same sport as me. I'm better at it. I'm better at it. I run over people. So how I'm better. No, they destroyed it. Destroyed my precious. As you guys could see, I'm there. I like being stupid. Hey guys, I'm getting good gameplay. I'm 17 and 5. That is very good for me. I never do this good. Oh this guy is. Oh, God. Oh my God, dude, I found. Shoot it. Come on. Come, no. Come on. Target it. Kill it. No, come on, destroy it, destroy it. Dang. Aw, oh, dang it. Why didn't you kill him, Riley? Just to warn you guys, if you do see it bouncing Betty in time, you can lay down. And it will just give you damage. Not kill you, damage. So try to lay down in time. And make sure you look at the floor every now and then, because it will show them sitting there. And we're gonna lose, I'm sorry guys. Very first Mw3 YouTube video we lose. Not the best start while using a recon group drone. No! Yeah. I saw that coming. I'm sorry guys. I'm sorry I failed you. I'm sorry. Yeah, I didn't fail our team because I went 22-9. I did better than everyone. But I was using my advanced UAV as you guys saw. I'm sorry guys, but we lost. Dang. I'm sorry guys, but here you go. That was an MP7. I suggest using it. It is a very well gun. I mean, good gun. I said that wrong. And look how awesome I did. Oh, I'm almost leveled up. But see you guys and I have fun.